loaded. Oh shit. Oh, take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around it, look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it.
Oh. Hot shit. Yeah.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
These kids. Oh, there's running gun mode.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
Syntax out!
Enemy UAV spotted. Heads up, Delta Team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Bro, I was trying to save your ass.
The bomb has been
Missed my
planted.
shot when I shot though. Really? You got Paradox? Nuh-uh. Back out and run fucking Forest Host. Back out and run Forest Host and let me see. Let me go private match, bro. Go private match and give me admin and let me see. Bleed. Oh shit.
Free for all. Take no prisoners, comrades.
I know you have a minute. But I know you have a minute. You always have. What? Oh shit! Paradox. Damn, you do have it. Fuck you there. So how much is it? Yeah, it's 15 every month, ain't it? A year for 50? Why didn't you just do that? That's so much smarter. Go 15 times 12. Bruh, put it this way. This menu has the best non-host aimbot. It has the best aimbot. Bruh, the host fucking aimbot will spin you in fucking circles. Like, it's crazy the way it does it. I think it's VIP menu, top gun mode, invisibility gun mode, little bastard. Yeah. Fucking, I want to see how you do that other way. I want to see something, hold on.
Stoner?
Oh, I got smart there for a minute. Stop, I'm trying to do something.
Oh, you're trying to turn back out?
I don't have the requirement for that. No, you ain't gotta leave. We're just fucking with this new shit.
It's not it. She's my friend, she's my friend, calm down. I don't know about the other dumbass. Yeah, I don't know him. But Underdog's my friend. Don't kill nobody. Now the other guy, you can kick him or whatever you want to do, I don't know him. Did you get your new mod menu? Really? I guess you did. What the fuck?
Extreme conditioning.
I got a hit marker.
What?
Yes, he is.